Okay, hello everyone. I know it has been a while since I uploaded any video or I have been live. So today we are going to solve some of the DSA questions. Don't expect anything from me as I am a noob and I am currently working to increase my thinking cap. You can say my thinking skills and question solving skills. So without further, let's get started. I think the screen is visible. So we are going with the Striver sheet. So here are the set of 455 questions, and we will try to cover each question. Okay, let's start. And one thing more, I code in Java, so I would be referring to Kunal Kushwaha. A quick shout out to him. Let's start. C++ basic. In case you got out and Java. Okay. Input out operation in Java. Graphical input allowed. Information are readability and meaningful format. The essential display. Okay. Java offer two types, scanner and buffer. Okay. To cater the device programming needs, scanner simplify the console input for the common user case. Okay. Common use case, providing easy to use method for various data input. On the other hand, buffer reader offer great control and efficiency. Okay, making it sustainable for complex input scenario and handling a large quantity of data. Okay, if the data is more, we are going to use buffer reader, and if the data is less and if we want to provide a easy to use method or interface to the console to the user, we will be using, I guess, the lighting. We are not going to waste our time in the lighting part. Just we are going to study. That's the only purpose I am here. I think it will be a stream. Let's see how much I am capable of delivering you. Java is a versatile language that refer to the library and access to perform tasks like input output. We include various libraries. The figure of the code. One such essential library is java.util, which includes scanner class. Using scanner class, okay. Algorithm. The general skeleton. The skeleton of the Java consists of the two main components, the import statement and the main method. Okay. The import statement. After importing the necessary libraries from the declaration, okay, using the public starting mode. We declare the method class using the public starting and here we write the code. It, this serves as the entry point for the for your program. Output with system.out.println. to display display output in the commonly used system.out.println method. There is no need to specify a specific name. C++ is highest driver. I don't remember that I have given the shout out to Striver to provide these sheets and to provide such a beautiful content. You ensure that the text want to display OK code. And then automatically change the line. OK, you like character at the end of the so okay code. As you can see, if you want to print face driver to the console and then start a new line, the behavior of the println is designed to make it convenient for displaying the text on the separate line in the console, taking user input using scanner. Okay. One of the fundamental aspects of the programming is taking input from the user in Java. This is achieved with the help of the scanner class, which allow you to receive input from the user via terminal or console code. When you are running in the Java program and entering in the value in the terminal, the scanner class capture the value, store it in the variable x, and display it using system.out.println. Okay, basically in scanner class, if you want to capture a value, you have to store it in any kind of variable, and after storing in the variable, if you want to display, you can use the system.out.println command or the line. Like according to me, it's a line only. The program wait for the user input. You can enter the value 10 and press enter. See in read in. Okay, store the value in the variable. See out used to display. Okay, to attempt multiple input, we need next int. Okay, method for this kind of class on for the behavior we want to receive input. Okay, when you want to store it. Okay, and determine. Okay, if there is a multiple input that you want to take, then you have to use next int. That's the whole crux of this. You might be wondering the meaning of int-x. Okay, int is the data type and the x is the variable here. To use commonly used utility class in the Java, you can import the java.util package. Import java.util.asterisk here means all the things that are there in the util. If you want to use a specific library or a certain feature only, you have to just specify the feature name here and you are set to go. However, it is essential to be aware of the potential capability issue and considering the impact of the compile time. Essentially, in large Java project, when you are importing a broad range of packages, it may lead to the compilation time and potential the conflict if different classes have the same name as the name of different packages. Therefore, in Java, the best practice is importing a specific class and the packages you may need in the program. Yeah, what we have, what I have just said. Here is the here is something about the buffer reader algorithm intuition. Buffer reader is most efficient when you are dealing with a very large data or input, such as such as reading from files and networks. it reads input as a stream of character as and can potentially useful for handling text based on the phase line of the potential increment of the process implementation. In, in, incrementally, buffer reader also provide great control over the input process, allowing you to handle a exception. Okay, it's commonly used in the scenario of the input program and the robust effect handling of the critical. Creating a buffer reader object. To use buffer reader first, we can create the object from the info stream reader class. The object specify when the input originate from input stream reader. Is is the you can say the variable name. New is the I don't know the exact terminology. What is that? But the basic structure is this only input reader we have to use here, and we have to use here also the same. It is it can be a variable. You can use is or br or anything. New you have to use here only in system. Okay. Objects is design. Okay. System is represented by the standard input, which is usually your keyboard, but it is initializing buffer reader. Now creating a buffer reader object and pass the input stream reader. The buffer reader object when the buffer reader object will be responsible for reading and processing the input stream reader. Is equals to new input stream reader system buffer reader bf is equals to new buffer reader dot in. Okay, I think I have seen something related to this. I just remember scanner c is equals to new scanner system dot in, and the input of the buffer reader converts the raw byte base input system dot in into a character base input. Okay, the so it is necessary to read the okay. The buffer reader is used to buffer the input, making it more efficient to read a line in the text of the text. It provides method like readLine, okay, to read the line of the text, which is very useful on the input. Reading numerical input. To read numerical input from the user, we have to use readLine method. ReadLine method. However, this method return a string, so will you will need to convert the integer. Okay. Okay, then the crux of the theory is there is a thing called buffer reader which take the input when the input is you can say large or you can say uh, uh, complex. So it is used. It's first convert the byte type data to a character type data, and if you want to use a integer type or you can say a decimal type, you just have to convert it like integer dot parseInt. Start input stream reader is equals to input stream reader in is equals to a sorry input stream reader system dot in buffer pf New buffer reader in use has to type the input, wait for the input, false if yes, input is equals to bf.read line. Okay, taking in okay and buffer reader efficient internal handling the flow read line after obtaining the input as the string. The flowchart okay, the flowchart provide a clear visualization representation of the okay. Let's just practice some of the questions. Okay, it want me to not able to log in. Hmm. Why it is not logging? Let's just check. I'm clicking here. Why nothing is happening? Let me just register. So in just a minute. I don't exactly remember my username. So And nothing is happening. I can't see. If anyone know what the mistake I'm doing, I can't see what's the mistake. How to practice? I just log in my lead code account and why it is. Please continue. I'm logged in. So what's the problem? Can't. What's the problem? I can't. Is this for this browser only, or let me try another browser? Let's cover the A to Z first, then we will be moving. Yeah, here it is showing the thing for a sign in, but I Can't find out here. Hmm. Think inspect. If we are inspecting, why it is not showing here? No problem. Let's just log in and wait a minute. I'm stuck in remembering the password. 2 minutes back, I just log in the. Let me just check. I'm just writing this only, but why it is not accepting here? Incorrect username handle. Okay. The same here. What's the problem? Incorrect credential. Okay. Why? No problem. I am just creating a new. Hectic process. What's the problem? Oh, it asking for the GFG. I thought it. I don't remember. I exactly remember the password for the GFG. Mm-hmm. Bad token. Why it is showing bad token? I study in a tier 3 college. Let's just right here. Okay, I think everything is now set up. So let's get back. Okay, the question name is searching Q auto complete. Design a search query automation system. Okay. Hmm, which may have multiple word and end with a special character hash. Okay. String input, okay. Autocomplete system, the inputs are I love you, Iceland, Iron Man, I love GFG, it's another array, 53, okay. Now the user begin another search, input I, output, okay. Okay, basically the thing is here. We have to design something, multiple word and end with an special character hash. Okay. According to me, if we have to just check for the first character only. Mm, wait a minute, I will be just right back after. I guess I will be back after one. Just bear with me. Thanks for joining.